Hey, how's it going, YouTube? This is Mr. Hinges. We're out here at Foxtail Golf Course and just hitting some balls at the driving range, man, and trying to get some practice in. We're going to be working on this game. This is the hard game, man. This is, you talk about mental toughness. This golf game is a mental tough type of game, man, and if you don't have mental toughness, it's going to go downhill. I've played every sport, track, baseball, football, wrestling, everything, and I've been able to use my athleticism to kind of get me through it. Even if I wasn't that great at it like soccer, I was still able to be average because of my athletic ability. But with golf, it's a totally different beast. It's all here. Anyway, we're going to be hitting some balls, me and my man Tek, and then we'll talk a little bit about mental toughness at the end. So I hope you guys enjoy. Now, the driver is a hard one, man, for me at least.
It's hard for me too.
It's like it's a really hard deal here. You gotta just kind of. There's so many different little pieces to it.
That a good one?
Right there. Wasn't great.
I'm trying to figure out your silhouette, but still the sky looks nice. You know what I'm saying? The sky looks wonderful.
The form of what really needs to take place. The form is
How about that apple right there?
See that? Could you see it?
I don't know if I can see it.
That wasn't a good shot.
It was a good shot.
There's like a specific form, and there's all these little bitty pieces to the form, and if one little piece of the form is off, your shot's off, Just that little bit.
What's that?
Got a little distance on it. Didn't get a whole lot of height. Form's off, man. We haven't been out here in about 3 or 4 months, so it takes a little practice. You want to try some, Tek?
I'm not even ready, man. I'm not trying to get on the camera yet. You've been practicing the whole time, dog. When that whole time, I mean, I haven't
been practicing. You see, regardless if I'm practicing or not, it ain't looking too good out here, man.
It is looking good, man. Better than me. Dude, that was nice, man. See, what he does is he's been hitting more balls than me right now. Once we get out here in front of the camera.
No, that had good loft on it. That had a good trajectory.
But it had some good, also some distance too.
But it felt easy. See, when your swing feels easy, that's what you want. When it feels hard, when it feels rushed, it's a tough gig, man. So,
hey guys, Tek here. Hinges told me to be loosey-goosey, so this is what I'm gonna do. He got a little more extra shots than I did. He's a little better player than I am, but that's okay. I'm gonna show you what I do to get loosey-goosey. Check it out. See, when you hold your hands, they have to be like you're holding a dove, a little bird, a little dove. So you don't want to hold it too tight.
Right. Okay. Those guns, though, gosh. Is this the gun show over here, buddy?
So I'm getting loosey-goosey right now. You guys can see. Wow. Pretty good, right?
Okay.
Very good. I'm trying to get my head. Hinges tells me to keep my head down a little bit.
You got to keep your head down, man.
I don't know where it went.
Okay. Get a couple more.
Loosey-goosey.
Let's see the loosey-goosey, man.
Nice.
Okay.
It wasn't good. If you have a routine,
Right. Now, why wasn't it good?
I don't know. I mean, I'm not trying to, not like I'm great at all in golf, but I like to have it higher, a little bit higher tee, because the way my loft is made on this.
So you want the trajectory? You want a higher trajectory?
Yes, but I also want the tee to be, I need the tee to be higher. I'm not used to.
Oh, you need the tee to be higher.
Yeah, because it should be that the ball should be almost halfway up. So the way this plays, I got fitted for these clubs.
Right.
Which should be is a lot higher.
What type of clubs are you using?
I'm using TaylorMade R15. R15s.
TaylorMade R15s. Okay.
And then it's going off to the right.
Okay.
Just typical for me.
Give us one more. Give us one nice one.
Nice and easy. Oh gosh. I have to get one more.
Okay.
Okay. Let's get a good one here. Yes.
Where'd that ball go?
It was a blip, blip, blip. What was that?
Okay, that happens
It
from
was
time
a
to
scully.
time.
The problem is, like, honestly, I need to be this club. I need to be. The ball needs to be higher, much higher.
Are you sweeping it?
I'm gonna sweep it.
Okay, there it is. It's called the Duck Duck Goose Dance. That one sounded good.
Yeah, it was a nice shot. The trajectory was lower, but it was straight. That's all that matters.
Okay.
Loosey goosey.
Pitching wedge?
Yeah, well, whatever you think you get up, but pitching wedge probably.
That first one right there?
No, not the first one. Sorry, that one right there. Second one. Sorry. Okay, here we go. Yes, that flag up there. The tee is almost ready to go. I'm gonna get in focus. Hold on a second, don't go yet. Make sure I'm focused. Okay, go ahead. Jeez. That I looked up. That was nice. Send over here. Yeah. So dry tech right here, guys. I don't need gloves. My glove is like my glove here.
You don't need gloves.
My glove.
That's big. Okay.
So I want you guys to know that we got an airplane right now, but Hinges did get very, 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 very close. He's probably looking, I'd say within 10 feet, maybe 15 feet of that, maybe.
Exactly.
So,
That's how I do it.
nice shot, too.
At least on the driving range. He's trying to get that little flag over there. Yeah, I don't think he's gonna make it. Nope, he's looking too hard. When you stare that hard at something, nah. How'd you do, man?
Is it at my chest or is it, where is it?
It's
Move
at
your finger.
chest.
So move the little camera up
All right,
and up a little bit. 'Cause-
Okay.
yeah, there we go. I did horrible. Okay, I lost that challenge. I lost all the challenges.
All right. Maybe we should do putting now.
We got 10 balls on it.
Oh, okay.
Let's go to this side and go to that flag. This one right there. See, my hand's going over.
Okay.
Well, let's go. Do close challenge. Close challenge right there.
Want to do a close
The
challenge?
58 degree or something like
Yeah,
that.
yeah, like a 60 degree.
Yeah.
Do a close challenge.
Ouch, my shoulder. Okay. A 60-degree challenge right now. We gotta see some battery power too, man.
Yeah, I
Battery's
do.
almost out.
Yeah, I do.
No, I'm saying battery's almost out. So let's just do this close challenge with this.
And then let's do
Or whatever that. What is that? A 5? Let's go to 5. After it's to the far one.
what?
Let's go to that second flag right there instead.
60 degree?
No, I'm saying the second flag is 200 yards or 189, 150.
I don't know what you mean by second flag. I mean, the second flag is right there.
But I don't.
I mean, what do you mean second flag?
Dead in front of us, 1 and 2, like that. Not second 1, 2 like that, but 1 and 2. The further flag out. It's like 880 yards out.
Okay. All right. But when you say, when you say
Yeah, I
second
know. It means
flag.
1, 2 like that. Yeah.
Okay. All right. So when you want your version of the second
That's
flag.
on camera.
You want your version of the second flag.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's on camera.
So,
It's on camera. Look like Jesus.
wow.
Jesus was going for the second flag, like you said.
Okay.
Your second flag, not mine.
What? You're doing 180.
Yeah, what is how much far is it? It's 163.
163. So that would be
It's easy for you.
that'd be a 7? 8 or 7?
For you. For me, it's like I gotta get out. Get busy. That's a nice shot, man.
I got lucky
nice,
on that one.
man. That
I
was
got
nice.
lucky on that one. Okay. Saw a lot of dust on the launch pad right there, so I'm not quite sure how it all went down.
It was a lot of dust.
Look at that form. It's got. Now, the golf experts would look at our forms and look at
Laugh.
things and like critique us a million times over.
You got my phone.
Well, that one sounded good. Look at him. He's on his front leg. He's got his back leg twisted up. Wow, that's.
I'll do one more.
Do one more.
I'll try to do form on that.
Yeah. There you go.
Anyway, that's as good as it's gonna get.
Just so you guys know, Hinges has some
Tek?
golf in his blood.
You do?
Yeah, man. Calvin Pete is my uncle, my great uncle.
I didn't know that.
Which is the first African American on the senior tour.
No way. Are you
Yes,
kidding
sir.
me? That's cool, man. I never knew that.
Man, I didn't get his grace and his, but I can at least drop his name.
That's awesome.
Most definitely, man. Most definitely. Golf, just like any sport, requires mental toughness. Mental toughness can be described as sustaining a way of thinking that will produce desirable outcomes in the face of adversity. If we are unable to let go of our negative thinking, it will surely compromise our ability to move forward in our pursuits for goal attainment. Remember this equation. Our thoughts dictate our feelings and emotions, which influence our reactions and our behaviors. Whether it's sports, relationships, or employment, adversity is an inevitable aspect of life. How successful we are navigating our adversity will be determined on our mental toughness. So let's start training.
So what is your mental toughness? What does it mean to be mentally tough? Is it like a muscle? The more we lift, the stronger it gets? Well, yes and no. Our mental strength comes from adversity. Let me share a story with you. A crab continues to grow, so it gets really uncomfortable in its shell. It later hides when it's ready to release itself from its shell. But it takes mental toughness to realize when you're ready to let go. The crab realizes when it's ready to let go of its shell. Adversity is its modifier to let us know when it's ready to grow. It is our mental toughness that allows us to release us from our shell. The real question is, are you ready for another shell?
Give it one more chance.